So, what's John about to try this morning? How's this for the first time in a private craft?
So we could also...
Rocky is completing the pre-flight check in our little coffin in the air. And any minute now, we'll be getting ready to go.
Crystal Tower, Cessna 734 X-ray Kilo is about 8 to the northwest, landing with Victor.
The 734 X-ray Kilo, Crystal Tower, I'm sorry, say again.
We're about 8 to the northwest, landing with Victor.
734 X-ray Kilo, enter our right base, 4 runway 23 right, traffic is Cessna departed a minute ago to the northwest.
Right base 23, looking for traffic, 4 X-ray Kilo. 4 X-ray Kilo, what's your altitude please?
Cessna 46 X-ray traffic, Cessna 46 X-ray traffic inbound from the northwest.
You have the traffic altitude? Traffic altitude 3,300. Yeah, we're leveling at 25.
Crystal Tower Helicopter 2334 November at HFI with Victor. Would like to depart the active with turns to the east.
Helicopter 2334 November, Crystal Tower, you can air taxi out onto runway the departure and then runway 23 right.
Could you repeat please?
Helicopter 34 November, Crystal Tower, air taxi out to the departure and then runway 23 right.
Departure and 23 right, 34 November.
Helicopter 34 November from the departure and the runway 23 right. Left turn is approved, clear for takeoff, wind 2108.
You want a departure route there, heading 23, correct?
Pitch is 5166 Mike Christogram.
Yeah, Crystal, lifeguard 911 Delta.
Pitch is 66 Mike, roger. Did you want 13 or 31? Pitch is 66 Mike, roger. Taxi runway 13 left. Helicopter 11, lifeguard helicopter 11 Delta Star.
Yeah, we're about 5 to the south for landing North Memorial to the south.
Lifeguard helicopter 911 Delta, transition approved. Wind is 21010. Landing will be at your own risk.
911 Delta.
Crystal Tower Helicopter 2334 November, would like to confirm left turn.
You want to go east?
That's correct.
Roger, left turn to the east is approved for helicopter 34 November.
Thank you, 34 November.
And helicopter 34 November traffic is a helicopter 5 miles south landing at North Memorial.
Alright, we'll be looking for traffic. Thank you, 34 November.
Lifeguard helicopter 11 Delta traffic, helicopter departing with a left turn to the east.
And 911 Delta, roger, we'll be looking. 4 X-ray Kilos entering at right base for 23.
This is 4 X-ray Kilo, not in sight, runway 23 right, clear to land.
Clear to land, 4 X-ray Kilo.
Cessna 607, advise when you're ready to copy. Cessna 607, remain outside the Minneapolis Class B airspace unless advised to enter. Departure frequency was 121.2, squawk 0232. Cessna 607 readback is correct.
One thing you might be aware of, so that you don't get bad case of air sickness, is looking through things like that and funny angles and stuff like that accentuates it. So you might want to use both eyes whenever possible and be aware of things like that. Especially on the powder, let me know. I don't want to make you sick. I understand. I generally like to keep an eye open anyway when I'm videotaping. Otherwise, I miss the thing that I'm recording. Okay. Stop this and take some pictures. Okay.
Crystal Tower, this is Cessna 909 or 607 at 23 right, ready for westbound departure.
Okay, sports fans, we are along the Mississippi River. That's Highway 94 there on the right. The 75-mile-an-hour zone, speed like hell and get out of town. Mississippi River on the left and the downtown straight ahead. I recommend this experience to anyone who has the time or the money. For the pilot. Does the pilot have anything to add? The pilot is just flying the ship thinking about where he wants to fly around downtown. Roger. It's a little hazy today. That's rather unfortunate, but you should still be able to see some interesting things. It's kind of dramatic, though. Do you have a preference whether I circle left or right? Not really. I think I'll try this way. Counterclockwise. There would be the incinerator. Or as it's known by its marketing ad campaign, Minneapolis Energy Resource Corporation, or pollution generator to the rest of us. Energy Resource Corporation, really? That's what the sign out front says. Minnesota or Minneapolis Energy Resource Corporation. Yeah, right. Yeah, money. That's 94 again, below us.
2 miles north. Cessna 534, runway 23 right, clear land.
Going close now, we just have to stay north of the Class B airspace.
Tower 534, request to land and requesting the option. 534, roger, that's approved and you click for the option.
I guess I'll get the camera quickly. sorry you missed all that narration, but there was downtown, and we saw St. Anthony Falls and Target Center and First Avenue. Gotta know where to plug this damn microphone in.
Crystal Tower, Cessna 534, going to go around. We'd like to depart to the east, altitude 2000.
534, roger, left turn to the east is Bruce.
534.
Minnesota Opera Center, Star Tribune, all that. Copy that. Go down over a little bit here and then turn east toward the fairgrounds. That'd be lovely. Try not to get hooked on that space needle. Yep. North here? Yeah. Downtown St. Paul, ladies and gentlemen. Civic Center. And the lovely St. Paul Cathedral. Capitol moving into view on the right. That will be the delightful mess we know as 35E, moving off there to the north. Should I make another turn or should we leave? We can leave. St. Paul Tower, helicopter 34 November in orbit over downtown St. Paul, would like to depart north along 35E, please.
34 November, north departure approved, and frequency change approved, leaving the area.
Thank you, downtown. 34 November. There's the town of Stillwater down below us. You can see the bridge leading over to Hudson. Here's Main Street with all of its attendant shops and fancy stuff.
There was turning.
The old courthouse. Beg pardon? The old Stillwater courthouse on the hill there. From Elizabeth married? Oh. I'm afraid I can't make out the courthouse. I don't know where to look. Give me the color. It's brick. It's got a big parking lot in front of it, right there. Ah, I see. Between the two churches. Gotcha.
Wait, one, make go.
Beat the clock played here. There we go, I found it.
Lake Elmo traffic, Cessna 579er, turning final, runway 21, Lake Elmo.
I guess way cool is the only way to describe it. Iraqi is a really good place to eat just in town here. You just approach town there, you see the little tan building set right into the hill, the little red brick stuff just to the left of it. Yep. There's an Italian place there that's got a porch out there. You can see snow on the awning. Yep, a very good place to eat. They make their own pasta and they got their own brewery. This shot is for Tina because she and I have had a couple good meals there. Now what highway would this be? 19? Whatever the one is north of. So I don't know the name. I believe that is 19.
Elmo traffic, Cessna 579er on left downwind, runway 21, Lake Elmo.
You'll get to see how impressively tall the Shoreview towers are. We're going to fly by about between 1,800 and 1,900 feet, and you'll notice that they are quite tall. What are the Shoreview towers? Radio towers? Right, yeah, that's big tall towers up here in Shoreview. They have radio and television on them. So this is 694 down below? You are correct, sir. White Bear Avenue.
Cessna 50 Whiskey turning base for 16.
Cool. Maplewood Mall.
Lake Elmo traffic,
There.
579er, turning left base, runway 21, Lake Elmo.
Spent more time there than I care to recount.
Cambridge traffic, Cessna 50 Whiskey turning final for 16.
Looks like a pretty good day for retail. I would imagine so, yeah. Shopping for Christmas. I don't shop for Christmas till the week before. Me either. If I have money. You don't blow it all on a helicopter.
Cessna 57.
Did I do a thing like that?
21, Lake Elmo.
I started to say helicopter flight, cut myself off and realized it was more appropriate that way. No, I was, what was I thinking here? I'm okay. Glad to hear it. Momentarily confused.
Lake traffic, Cherokee 5748, miles to the west, landing.
Mississippi once again, we're coming in.
134 Kilo, cruise ground taxi to Northland.
That would be the airport in my screen now.
This is 513 to Hotel, cruise ground taxi to runway 13 right.
Crystal 46 X-ray, like a short approach this time. 46 X-ray approved, wind now, it's light up barrel. 46 X-ray.
Crystal Tower, helicopter 340, November, entering left downwind for 13 left.
Got the 34 November, number 2 follow, it's Cessna on the west corner of the airport on our right base.
Number 2 to follow, Cessna inside 34 November.
Cessna 607, make a left turn, thanks, to do is Cashman, minus ground, no need to go.
607, monitoring.
See the airplane descending over there, he's ahead of us, we're number 2 to follow him. Straight off to your left there almost. And below us and descending, he's going to be turning toward us and then turning again toward the runways. To be honest, no. Right there, he just turned toward the airport. See him? Going that way now. Got it.
Runway 13 right, clear to land. Tower, Cessna 513 to Hotel, Meridian 13 right, westbound. Cessna 513 to Hotel, hold short runway 13 right, traffic short final. 3 to Hotel, hold short. Cessna 46 X-ray, runway 13 right, clear for pushing up. 46 X-ray, this will be a full stop and then we'll be requesting an IFR clearance to St. Paul downtown for ILS approach VOR. Cessna 46 X-ray, runway 13 right, clear to land. 46 X-ray.
And 3071, Charlie requested left turn out.
01 Charlie, left turn approved. Cessna 32 Hotel, cross runway 13 right, runway 13 left, clear for takeoff, right turn approved. 32 Hotel, 13 left, right. And 34 November, you're going to HFI?
That's correct.
Got the 34 November, right turn approved, proceed to HFI.
Thank you, 34 November. guys the opportunity.
Crystal Tower, Dutchess 5166 Mike. Dutchess 5166 Mike. Dutchess 66 Mike is at Osceola with Whiskey Landing. Dutchess 66 Mike straight in, runway 13 right, reported 3 mile final. 3 mile final for the right side, 66 Mike. Cessna 46 X-ray, make a right turn, taxi back, runway 13 right, clearance on request. 46 X-ray, stand by. Cessna 46 X-ray, do you want a full stab at St. Paul or you want to make a low approach? 46 X-ray, give me a low approach. Okay, then you want to do another one or just want to come back?
46 Extra, then we're going to want to do an ADF into Lake Elmo and then probably VOR into here.
And then follow Cessna, so head onto your right and to runway 13 right.
Signing off.
If you can hear, you can